Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and immediately warming the decal so the adhesive softens. Use a hairdryer or heat gun on low, holding it back 10-15 cm and moving constantly. Once the edge lifts, use a plastic scraper or your fingernail to get a corner up. Make sure to keep the panel warm so the film peels instead of snapping. If you hit strong resistance, stop heating a bit more and try again. This preserves the paint and prevents tearing the decal into many pieces. Once the bulk decal is off, you need to tackle the sticky residue. Slide fishing line or dental floss under the warmed film and saw gently while pulling the sheet away to minimize surface abrasion. Then apply a citrus or commercial adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl. Let it dwell for 30 to 60 seconds to break down the glue and wipe with microfiber cloth. Make sure to use only plastic scrapers and light pressure. This prevents scratching the clear coat and preserves factory finish. To finish, wash the area with mild soap and water, dry it, then wipe with 70% isopropyl to remove any last oils. This prepares the surface for light polishing. Once clean and dry, use a non-abrasive polish if needed and seal the paint with wax or a paint sealant to restore shine and protect from UV. If you notice paint lifting or deep scratches, stop and consult a professional. Do not continue aggressive scraping because you can permanently damage the panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.